Why was India called the सोने की चिड़िया? क्या यह सिर्फ कहानी थी या सच में दुनिया का सबसे अमीर देश था? For almost 2000 years, India produced nearly one fourth of the world's total wealth. यूरोप उस टाइम स्ट्रगल कर रहा था और इंडिया दुनिया को सप्लाई कर रहा था. India exported silk, cotton, spices, steel, jewelry to Rome, Arabia, China, and Africa. Golconda mines se निकले some of the world's finest diamonds, including Kohinoor. Foreign travelers लिखते थे India was cleaner, richer, and more advanced than the European capitals. यहाँ तक कि रोमन का गोल्ड 70% इंडिया आ जाता था ट्रेड में. इसीलिए दुनिया ने इंडिया को कहा द गोल्डन बर्ड, not because of gold alone, but because everything here created wealth. India wasn't poor, India was made poor. History isn't about what we lost, it's about what we once were. Follow for more real stories behind forgotten glory. Thank you.